హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను సాయిరామ్. వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ MSR క్లాసెస్. బ్యాంక్ అండ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ 2023 కోసం ప్రిలిమ్స్ లెవెల్ క్వాంటిటేటివ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ సెషన్స్ అయితే సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. టుడే ఈజ్ క్లాస్ 5. క్లాస్ పీడిఎఫ్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే MSR క్లాసెస్ YTలో అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. జస్ట్ జాయిన్ అండ్ డౌన్లోడ్ ద PDFs, right, and practice the sessions. Yes. So questions lo velgodam. Here is the first question of this session. The speed of express is 102 and it is 720 meter long. What is the difference between the time taken by express to cover long bridge and running in same direction? Done. So 1080 meter long bridge, time is distance upon speed, distance train length plus platform length upon speed 108 5 by 80, which is 800 1800 upon 18 6 times 6 5 times 30 60 seconds. Next, second one, crossing same running in the same direction and matladutunnaru, right? Distance is total length 720 plus 1120 upon relative speed 70 to 108, 36 is the difference, 5 by 80, 18 2 times and divided by 10, 1840 divided by 10, 184 seconds. Difference is 124 seconds. Option C is the final answer. Then, yes, next question. The ratio of length and width of a rectangle is length 10A, breadth 7A. Then, width of rectangle is 60% of the radius. Right, so 5A is radius of, అలా అయితే 3A is 5 parts. ఆల్రెడీ A అనే వేరియబుల్ యూజ్ చేసాం కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ 3 parts width or breadth. The difference between 3A find out చేయమంటారు, right? If the area of circle value pi r square, which means 22 by 7 r square is equal to 15400. Then 22 7 times exactly 7 రెండు సార్లు ఉంది, 10 రెండు సార్లు ఉంది, radius is 70. 5 parts 70 అయితే 3 parts would be 5 12 times 14 3 times 7A is 14 3 times. నన్ను అడిగింది డిఫరెన్స్ 3, 7 2 times 3 2 times 6 6 3 times 18 centimeters. Option C is the final answer. Done. Correct, right? Yes. Next question. 8 years ago the ratio of 5 years hence, and 10 years hence will be, 8 years ago A is 2A అయితే present age 2A plus 8, N would be present age 7A plus 8. 5 years hence A is 5 would be minus 5 and N would be 12B minus 10. Okay, ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ 2a minus 5b 5b minus 2a is equal to ఇది వచ్చేస్తే 13. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ ఈక్వల్. ఓకే 12b minus 7a is equal to 18. 12b minus 7a is equal to then 7 times 2 times, right? 7 5 times 35b minus 14a, 13 7 times, right? 12 2 times 24b minus 14b, 14a, 18 2 times. Subtract చేస్తే ఇది ప్లస్. Done. So 9b 91 minus 36 9 11 11 90 minus 40 50 55 b5. Done. So a after 4 years, a percentage is 5 times 25 minus 5, which is 20. Percentage is 20 after 4 years, 24 years. Option A is the final answer. Done. Right. Yes. Next question. A certain sum of money at 25% compounded annually is amounted to 25% 2 years, right? 25% 2 years means 56.25. 56.25% is 625.0. Done. Next, if the same amount of money is invested, 30 compound interest is how much percentage more or less than? Done. 30% for 4 years. Simple interest 30%. Okay, principal asal first 100% value find out చేద్దాం. Right, 156.25. 156 4 times 4 6 times 24 20 22 624. Yes, exactly 4 times 40. 4000 is the principal. It is 30% 4 years simple interest means 120%. 800 4800. Okay, compound interest is principal is 4000, amount is 6200 into 2250. Compound interest is fine if the compound interest is how much more or less. Compound simple interest వచ్చేసి 800. Difference ఇది సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ టోటల్ కదా. సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ 30% 4 years 4800. డిఫరెన్స్ మాట్లాడమంటున్నారు. 4800కి 2250, రైట్. 2550 is the final answer for this question. Then option D. Next question. Avanti sold a sweat to Kushi at 12% profit. Kushi to Magda again sold it 10% profit. Right. Initial ga 100% ఉన్నది 12% profit, which means 112 upon 100. Next, initial ga ఏ rupees ఉంది, right? Next, profit 120 upon 100. Next, profit 110 upon 100 is equal to 14784. Then a value 00 11 1 time 11 37 3 times 33 48 4 times 4 times 12 1 time 12 14 1 time 12 24 112 gets cancelled. A value 100 00 10,000. Option D is the final answer for this question. Right. Next question. The average of 25 distinct numbers is, if the average of first 12 numbers and the average of last 12 numbers, 13th number missing case, reverse method apply cheyali. 13th number, right, 30 అనుకుంటే తగ్గింది కాబట్టి పెంచాలి, 8 తగ్గింది 12 numbers మీద తగ్గింది. నెక్స్ట్ 5 పెరిగింది తగ్గించాలి, 8 numbers మీద 5 పెరిగింది, 5 పెరిగింది అలా 12 numbers మీద పెరిగింది. 12 కామన్ 3 12 3 times 36 add చేస్తే 66 is the final answer for this question. Option B is the correct answer. Right. Next question. Number missing case, 13th number, reverse method. Reverse ante తగ్గితే పెంచాలి, పెరిగితే తగ్గించాలి. Right. Yes. Next question. The ratio of sugar to salt in that mixture B, okay, if both the mixtures are mixed together, right, yes, total 3/7, both the mixtures are mixed together, then what will be the ratio of sugar and salt? Okay, mixed together. ఇక్కడ total 7 parts, ఇది 3 parts. A 4:3, B 2:1. ఇది 7 parts, ఇది 3 parts. అంటే దీన్ని 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయి, దీన్ని 7 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయి. So that 4 3 times 12, 3 times 9, 7 2 times 14, 7 1 times 7, add చేస్తే 26, ఇది వచ్చేసి 16, 13 8, 13 to 8. Option E is the final answer for this question. Done. Right. రెండింటిని మిక్స్ చేయాలి అంటే టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్ట్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండాలి. Right. Yes. Next question. Sum of 3 numbers is 18 more than sum of B and C. Okay. A, B, C is 18 more than A plus B plus C is 18 more than B plus C. అంటే A value 18 అని చెప్తున్నారు. Right. A and C is 3:5. C is 3 parts, 3 6 times, 5 6 times. Then B is 20% more than 36. A and B 18. Option B is the final answer for this question. Then, right. Next question. A worker can be completed by, he worked 10 days alone, completed the remaining work by how many days would together to complete? n ఒక్కళ్ళే చేస్తే 30n, ఇప్పుడు 10n, అలాగే 4 నిషి ni, నిషు వచ్చేసి n అనుకున్నాం, నిషి ni అనుకున్నాం, రైట్. Then 20n is equal to 4ni, n to ni, the ratio is 1 to 4. Then total work 30 into 1, ఇద్దరు కలిసి చేస్తే 30/6, 5. How much days both together? The remaining work is completed by Nishi in 4 days. Right. 4, 5 times 20. How many days would Nishu and Nishi take the entire work? Total efficiency is 6 units, right? Two-third work చేయడానికి 4 days, total work చేయడానికి 6 days. n కి 30 days, ni కి 6 days. 30 is the LCM. 1, 5, 6, 5 times 5 days. None of these is the final answer. Ten days చేశారంటే 1/3 work complete, remaining 2/3. Working with Nishi. Wait, ఇద్దరు కలిసి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారట. Working with Nishi. Okay. 30 days of n, 14 days of n plus 4 days of n, right? ఇక్కడ difference 16n is equal to 4n. n to ni ratio is 1 to 4. Time taken is total work 30/5, 6 days. 6 days is the final answer for this question. Option B is the correct answer. Done. Right. Yes. Next question. A, B, C entered into a partnership. A invested 16 2/3 cap of his capital for 6 months. 1/3 of the capital. Okay. 16 2/3. 1/6. 1/3. C invested rest capital in total capital 6A అనుకుంటున్నా. 6A లో 1/6 A invested, B invested, C invested, right? A for 6 months, 1/3. 1/3 means 2A for 2 years, which means 24 months, 30 months, remaining 3A for 30 months. At the end of 2.5 years, they earned as total profit 6 6 4 times, 6 5 times, 1 8 15, done. 9 24 parts, 24 parts, 9600, share of B 8 parts, 8 3 times, divided by 3 32, 3200 is the final answer. Done. Yes. Next, the product of two positive integers and their HCF and their sum is 140. Then find the difference between the numbers. Done. Okay, two positive numbers. The product of two positive numbers is 13a, 13b. Let the numbers be 13a, 13b. Their product is 5070. And their sum is, so 13 cancel, 13 3 times, 39, 117, 13 3 times. AB is equal to 30, A plus B is equal to 143, right? Three times 39. Okay, product is 30, sum is 143. Okay, so the numbers is sum 143, product 30. వెయిట్, ఇది ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్రెడీ సాల్వ్ చేసినట్టున్నా ఒక్క నిమిషం. (13a plus 13b is equal to) 13a plus 13b is equal to 143. A plus b 11. Sum is 11. Product is 30. 6 5 times. A 6, B 5. Done. A plus b. నాకు కావాల్సింది 13a. ఫైండ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ 130. ఆప్షన్ D is the final answer. 13a 13b కావాలి, right? Difference is 1. Product 1, right? Yes. Next question. Okay, read the data carefully and answer the questions. There are 5 floors in a building. Pie chart distribution of, right? The total number of people living in the building is 300. అంటే 3ని ప్రతి నెంబర్ని 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి అని మీనింగ్, రైట్? ప్రతి నెంబర్ని 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, రైట్? ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. రేషియో ఆఫ్ మేల్ టు ఫీమేల్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఈజ్ 2:1. Second floor 15 parts, 10% male, female, which is 5%. 10 3 times 30, 5 3 times 15. Done. And the ratio of, it is second floor information. Fourth floor information, male to female 1:2. Fourth is 14%. Done. 14 3 times 42. 14 3 times 42. Okay, 3 parts 42 అయితే 1 part 14 and 2 parts 28. Find the total number of will male, will female. Female living 15 plus 28, done. 30 plus 43, option E is the final answer for this question, done. Right? Yes. Next question. Find the average number of persons living in first, second, third floors. 22, 15, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 56. 56 upon 3 into 300. Done. Average number of persons. 56 percentage of 300. Answer is 56. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Right. Next. If number of female living in fifth floor is 35, then find the difference between male and female living in fifth floor. Right. Female in fifth floor 30 percentage 33 times 90. Then female 35 అంటే మేల్ వచ్చేసి 40 subtract చేస్తే 55. Difference is 20. Option B is the final answer for this question. Then next question. Find the difference between total number of people living in the second and fifth floors. Second and fifth 15, 30, 45. Third and fourth 33. Difference is 12. 12 3 times 36. Option D is the final answer. Then next question. Find the ratio of number of people first floor to that of first floor 22, fourth and fifth 44. 1:2. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Yes. So next questions. Yes. Read the data carefully and answer the questions. The table shows copper bottles sold by and the ratio of plastic bottles, steel bottles. And the shopkeeper sells only 3 types. The total number of bottles sold by. Then ప్రతి దానిలో 300 is the total అని మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. రైట్. అందులో ఆల్రెడీ 80 ఇచ్చేసారు. రిమైనింగ్ 120ని ఇక్కడ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాలి. రైట్. రిమైనింగ్ 220 రిమైనింగ్ 220ని 6:5 రేషియోలో డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. రైట్. ఎస్. ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్లోనూ అలాగే చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే. సో క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాం. ఫైండ్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాస్టిక్ బాటిల్స్ సోల్డ్ బై షాప్కీపర్ ఏ అండ్ బి టుగెదర్. దెన్ ఇక్కడ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాల్సింది 220, ఇక్కడ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాల్సింది 200. ప్లాస్టిక్ బాటిల్స్ 6 pads అవుట్ ఆఫ్ టోటల్ 11. 2 times 6 2 times 12 120. Total 10 pads 10 2 times 7 2 times 140. Together to the total number of steel bottles D and E steel bottles. Wait, మొత్తం అన్ని రాసేసినట్టున్నాం. ఓకే. ఇలా అయితే మొత్తం వాల్యూస్ మొత్తం అన్ని రాసేసుకొని దాన్నే మొత్తం యూస్ చేద్దాం. 220 అయిపోతే ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ 100. నెక్స్ట్ 140 అయిపోతే రిమైనింగ్ 60. డన్. 75 సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ 225. 225 9 25 times 25 5 times 125. 25 4 times 100. Done. Next 225. Next 60 అంటే 240 which is 15. 240 15 90 16 11 times 176. 240 176. అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ 4 times 64. Done. Next, total 300, 180, right? 187, 8, 15, 12 times, 12 7 times, 84, 180, 84, 96. Done. Yes. Sir, మొత్తం అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ దగ్గర తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోదాం. Okay. Find the ratio of total number of plastic bottles sold by shopkeeper A and B together. A and B together plastic bottles, which is 260. To the steel bottles D and E together. D and E together plastic bottles 160. Done. Yes, 213 times, 8 times. 13 is to 8. Option D is the final answer. Next. Find the average number of steel bottles sold by A, B, C, D, E together. A, B, C, D together. Steel bottles. Steel ante 100, 200, 324. 1, 4. 4, 8 times, 1 time. 81 is the final answer for this. Correct. Yes. Next question. Question number 18. Find the difference between number of copper and steel bottles together sold by B. B, copper and steel. Copper is 100, steel is 60, 160. Plastic and steel. A. Plastic and steel. A, 220. Difference is 60. Option A is the final answer. Next question. Total number of copper bottles sold by D and E. Copper. D and E copper 180 is what percentage? Total steel bottles A and C. A and C steel bottles 200. Right. 180. 200. 20 out of 200. 20 out of 200, 10% less, 10% less, 10% more. None of this is the final answer. Then, yes, next question. If 35% and 12% of the total plastic bottles, steel bottles respectively sold by shopkeeper B, plastic 35%, plastic lo B lo 35%, 10%. Okay, 14 3 times 42, 49. Okay, next steel bottles lo 15%, 10%, 6, 9. Done. Were returned. Returned bottles are counted as unsold. Find the total number of sold bottles. Okay, total 58. Total number of bottles 300. 300 minus 58, 242. Option D is the final answer. Then, right. Next one. Bar graph shows the number of utensils of 5 different materials, right? Copper, plastic, steel, aluminum, glass. Okay, different items here. Okay, yes. So questions. What is the difference between the number of copper utensils sold by B and C together? Copper, B and C. Copper, B. 300 to 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gaps, which means 20. 320, 280, total 600, and number of clay utensils A and C clay 340, 520, 340, 520, which is 860, difference 260. Option D is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. What is the ratio of number of plastic and aluminum utensils sold by B? Plastic and aluminum. Plastic B 500, aluminum B 360, which is 860. Steel and glass. A steel 240, glass A 460, which is 700, 43, 35, 43 to 35. Option B is the final answer. Done. Next question. The number of steel utensils and clay utensils by C. C steel 300, clay 520, total 820. Is what percentage of copper utensils and glass? A copper A 480, glass A 460, 800, 940. Is what percentage? Then 820 upon 940 into 100. Okay. 98 times 9 times 81, 90 percentage के approximately, right? 90 కంటే తక్కువ ఉండాలి. Approximately maximum 90 వరకే వెళ్తుంది, right? 9 times 81 అంటే 9 టైమ్స్ వచ్చేటప్పటికల్లా 81 కంటే చాలా పెద్ద వాల్యూ, 87.23. ఆప్షన్ E is the final answer. Next question. What is the average of aluminum, steel B and C? Aluminum B and C, which is 300, 480, which is 780. Steel, okay, steel, aluminum B and C 360, 500, which is 860, total 1640 upon 2, 820. Option C. Done. Next one. The number of clay and copper utensils sold by A. Clay and copper 480 and 340, which is 820. What percentage more or less than plastic and glass sold by C? Plastic C 440, glass C 420, 860. More or less 40 upon 860 into 100. Done. 8 లో half 50%, 10% is 8.4, 5% కి approximate లో 5% కంటే తక్కువ 4.65%. 4.65%. Option C is the final answer. Done. Next one, caselet. Yes. Following information gives the data regarding number of employees in three companies. Male employees in company P is a 40 percentage. Okay, P, Q, R, total three companies. P, Q, R. Next, male, female, total. Male, female, total. Then male employees in company P is 40 percentage less than that of female employees in company R. Then 40 percentage less అంటే 60 percentage, ఇది 5A అయితే 3A. Then next, difference between number of male and female employees in company Q is 32. B, C. B difference to C is 32. Then 60 percentage of employees in company R are male. 60 percentage value 3 parts, 2 parts, while 58 percentage of the employees in company Q are company Q lo 58 remaining 42, which means 4 percentage is 32. అలా అయితే 1 percentage 4 8 times 32 48 42 8 times 8 4 times 32 33 33 336 336 plus 32 368. And there are a total 174 male employees in company P and Q. P and Q total 174. Wait, something is wrong. Difference 32 చెప్పారు, while 58 percentage of employees in company Q is 58 like 42. Difference is 4 percentage. 4 percentage 32 అయితే into 25. 60 percentage of, okay, while 58 percentage of the employees in company Q are female. Difference between the number of male and female employees in company Q is 32. 58 percentage 42 percentage. Difference is, sorry, 52 and 48, 16 percentage is the difference. Sorry, 16 2 times ante double 84 percentage 84, sorry, this is 84. Next, 116, total value 200. Next, ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 174 రావాలంట, అంటే 90. నెక్స్ట్ 3 parts 90 అయితే 5 parts 150, 2 parts 150 అయితే 3 parts into 75 225, total is 375. Done. Yes. So ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇంకా తెలియదు, క్వశ్చన్స్ ని బట్టి ఆన్సర్ సాల్వ్, రైట్? ఎస్. Next one. Questions. The average number of female employees in Q and S is 80. Q lo already 116 unnaru, ఇంకా 36 extra. Find the difference between female employees of R and S. 150, ఇక్కడేమో 36 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 44. Difference is 106. Option D is the final answer. Then What is the ratio of total number of employees in company Q? Company Q, put that of R. Okay, 200 to 150, which is 4:3. Option A is the final answer for this question. Then total employees in company R. Total employees in company R is what percentage? Total employees in company Q. Okay, 175. What percentage more or less? 175 upon 2, which is 87.5. Option B is the final answer for this question. Then yes. Next question. 62.5 percentage are male. 62.5 percentage means 5/8. How many employees are there? 5 parts. 5, 18, 18 8 times 144. Option D is the final answer for this question. Then what is the average number of male employees in P and Q? P and Q average number of male employees. Okay, 6 is the difference. So 6 3 subtract cheste 90 minus 3, 87. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. So here ends the session. నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ ఈ వీడియో లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో అప్డేట్స్ కోసం నా ఛానల్ అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఉంచుకోండి. All the best for your exams. Thank you.